Yeah, the hog market's really been choppy for the last couple of weeks, and we wouldn't really be too surprised to see that continue through this week's trade. I think what we're a little bit more optimistic on through this week and through really the last couple of weeks of the year is the live cattle market. The April contract, to be specific, we touched on some seasonalities in the grain complex, and there's a strong seasonal tendency for April live cattle to rally into the end of the year as well. From December 9th to January 2nd, we've seen the April contract firm up for each of the last 15 years. So we like the upside potential there. The cash market, for the most part, has been a stick in the mud here as of late, but I think we still remain pretty upbeat on that. There is going to be a lot going on in the outside markets this week, which could potentially spill into money flow and affect commodities such as live cattle. We've got the Fed this week and some inflation data, so that's going to be something to keep a very close eye on as well. But overall, the seasonality, I think, remains strong. The fundamentals, I think, are still supportive, maybe not super bullish, but supportive at the very least.
Wanted to take a quick peek here at the energy market on the West Texas crude. Wow, what a turnaround here. January futures are now showing a last trade of $73.90, and now we're up $2.86 on the day after hitting a low of $70.25, and now we're off of that by, $3.50 all of a sudden. Is that going to have any spillover impact on any of the ag trade, do you think?
Yeah, it might help some of these commodities get a little bit of a boost. We've been looking at that $70 handle as a bit of a Biden put, so to speak. We know that they've been emptying the SPR over the last several months, and the administration has noted that they want to be buyers of crude oil between $67 and about $72, which is right in the middle of where we got at this morning's trade. So I have a hard time seeing us break down significantly below that. So I think $70 does represent fair value. And I think you're seeing that play out in price action in today's trade as well.
Interesting stuff. All right. Thank you, Oliver, for talking with us. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures.